You bringing the paddle with you?
Yeah.
All right, get up there. The rats are dirty and thirsty.
The knights demand caffeine. See the knights of the round table in my shop today.
Can I get a small candied cherry blended rebel?
What are the chances we can take pictures of you guys?
Go for it. That's why we're here.
I would love it. And then if you guys post it, tag us.
All right, you got yours. Together. You get it. Go get your drink.
Can I get a protein bowl?
Yeah, what size do you want? At 1 to 2.
Large.
Large. And then hot ice or blended. Like we have a full.
Blended.
But we'll also be out there till 6. So hop on over. What else for you guys?
All right, Ethan.
I would like a Christmas morning, please.
This morning, hot ice or blended.